Okay, question 1 on the calculator paper. We've got a box sat on a table, so the box is sat on the table. The area of the box, so the area in contact with the table, that's how much of the box is in contact with the table, 1,500 centimeters squared. The pressure of the box is 28 newtons per meter squared. So we already have a bit of an issue here with our units are not in the same unit. So work out the force. So we're looking for the force exerted by the box on the table, and they've given us the relationship, the formula set up here for pressure, force, and area. Now we like to put things into these triangles so we can use them in any order. So we've got pressure equals force is on the top divided by the area. Okay, so we'll keep that there. We're looking for force actually, so think about if we're looking for force, then we cover up force or ignore the force bit, we don't include that bit. And then we're left with pressure times area. So we need pressure times the area. And if you think about it, the pressure we've already been given is 28 newtons, but that's in meters squared. So I need my area to be in meters squared too. So I'm thinking about this, I'm thinking, right, I've got my area in centimeters, I want to turn it into centimeters squared, I want to turn it into meters squared. And I'm thinking, well, I know 100 centimeters is in a meter. Is it the same when you're doing area? Well, let's have a little think about that. A meter squared is a square that is 1 meter by 1 meter. 1 times 1 is 1, so 1 meter squared, that's the area. If we draw a box exactly the same size, but label it with centimeters, well, 1 meter, we just said, is 100 centimeters. So 100 by 100. 100 times 100 is 10,000 centimeters squared. So you can see 1 meter squared is the same as 10,000 centimeters squared. We've only got 1,500. We've got nowhere near 10,000. So we've got like a little section down here which is much less than 1 meter squared. So we know that our answer for this little bit here should be less than 1 when we convert it. So what we really need to do is use this exchange rate here, 1 equals 10,000, and do 1,500 divided by the exchange rate of 10,000, because that's what we do to convert into meters squared. And that will give us a number which is much smaller than 1, so we'll get 0.15, and that's meters squared. Okay, so we've got this little less than, almost like 15% of this square, 0.15, got this much, kind of, roughly. That's 1,500 there, whoops, just to give you an idea of what's going on. So that's the number that we use on our calculator for our area, 0.15. And you just need to type that into your calculator, and you will get an answer of 4.2. Okay, 4.2 is what you need.